What's up? Everyone. William Leist here. I got to get some pop in the fridge now. Okay. I went to a local Walmart last night. Got me some 24 ounces of 7-Up. I gotta be very careful with the box. I gotta do it now. My cats. There. 7-Up, 7-Up, man. Let's get into this. Oh, it's roll. Roll. It roll again. Fits that. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. That's my favorite drink. 7-Up. 7-Up. Oh my goodness. No, but I get Mom's a coffee as well. Coffee, COFFEE, coffee. Okay. Bless you, kitty. Okay.
Yeah.
Here you go, girl.
This early.
Yeah. I know. Biff, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, Biff? What are you doing?
Oh.
There's your coffee. Hold on. Okay. Okay. That's it for this vein. Okay. Okay. The box goes to the green cycle vein. I gotta be careful outside. Ooh, it starts to snow already. Hey, mommy, look outside. Well, look outside. It's something. It's something snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing already. It's snowing. It's snowing. Okay, that's it for this pop. Get my pop in the refrigerator, Mom. Oh yeah, that's good business. Yeah, I'm trying to wait on my laminator to be cool down. That's my laminator needs to cool down. That's part of cool down. Cool it down. Cool down. So, like it said before, it has also has a very cool touch. It's not. It's cool down for a minute. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy, please please subscribe my my YouTube channel. So please to like this video tour. But if you follow me on my Twitter. Twitter.com for live and data videos on content us. Bye.